Hello and welcome back to English by the Fire. I'm Anna. We are so delighted to have you join us again as we explore the wonderful world of English one conversation at a time. The fire is crackling, the atmosphere is cozy, so let's get started. We have a topic today that is truly close to my heart, and I believe to everyone's heart in one way or another. It's something that can bring back memories, create new ones, and connect people across cultures. I am genuinely excited for our discussion.
And I'm Bruno. I am also very happy to be here. Anna, your introduction was wonderful. It made me feel warm and ready for a good chat. And you are right, food is a universal language. It connects all of us, no matter where we are from. I think we're going to have a very tasty conversation today.
Today, we have a delicious topic. We're going to talk about food and cooking.
Yes, food is a wonderful topic. It makes me hungry already. So, Anna, let's start. What is your favorite food?
Oh, that is a difficult question. I love so many foods, but I think my favorite is pizza.
Pizza is a good choice. What kind of pizza do you like?
I love pizza with a lot of vegetables. Onions, peppers, mushrooms, everything. And a lot of cheese, of course. What about you, Bruno? What is your favorite food?
For me, I think it is soup. A nice hot soup on a cold day.
Soup? That's interesting. It sounds very warm and comfortable.
It is. I like simple food. A good chicken soup with vegetables is perfect for me.
That does sound nice. I like simple food sometimes too. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually have toast with butter and jam and a big cup of coffee.
Coffee. Me too. I need coffee in the morning. I like to eat yogurt with fruit for breakfast. It's quick and easy.
That sounds very healthy.
It is. And for lunch, what do you eat?
I often have a sandwich or a salad for lunch, something small. I don't like to eat a big lunch.
Right. A big lunch can make you feel sleepy in the afternoon.
Exactly. And for dinner, that is my big meal. I like to have something like pasta or chicken with rice.
I see. I also like a nice dinner. It's a good way to end the day.
Speaking of ending the day, what about dessert? Do you have a sweet tooth, Anna?
Oh, absolutely. I have a huge sweet tooth. Chocolate cake, ice cream, cookies. I love them all. It's the perfect way to finish a meal.
Oh, I see. And do you like to cook?
Oh, Bruno, that is a funny question for me. I do not cook very well.
Oh, really?
No, I'm not a good cook. I try sometimes, but it often goes wrong. I have a funny story.
A story? Please tell me.
Okay, one time I wanted to bake a cake for my friend's birthday. I got all the ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, chocolate. I mixed everything together and put it in the oven. But I read the recipe wrong. I put in salt, not sugar.
Oh no, a salty cake?
Yes, it was terrible. My friend was very nice, but nobody could eat it. It was a chocolate and salt cake.
That is a great story. Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes in the kitchen. I do too.
You do? But you like to cook.
I do. I find it very relaxing. But one time I was making pasta. I was boiling the water. My phone rang, so I went to answer it.
Okay.
It was a long conversation, and I forgot about the water. All the water boiled away. The pot was black and full of smoke.
Oh, wow. So you had no pasta for dinner?
No pasta, and I had to buy a new pot.
Okay, that makes me feel better. So, because I don't cook well, I love to eat at restaurants.
Yes, I thought so. You like to try new things.
I do. I love going to new restaurants. My favorite is Italian food. The pasta, the pizza, it's all so good.
Italian restaurants are very nice. I like them for a special day, like a birthday. I prefer quiet restaurants.
I like all kinds of restaurants. Loud, quiet, big, small. It's exciting to see the menu and choose something new. Have you tried Thai food?
Yes, a few times. It can be very spicy.
I know. I love spicy food. And what about takeout? Do you ever order food to eat at home?
Sometimes, if I'm very tired or I don't have time to cook, I order a pizza. It's easy. You?
Oh, yes, I order takeout a lot. Maybe 2 or 3 times a week. It's so convenient.
It is, but homemade food feels different. It reminds me of my family.
That's a nice thought. What food did you eat as a child? What food reminds you of your family?
My grandmother used to make a special bread. The whole house smelled so good when it was in the oven. When I smell fresh bread now, I always think of her.
That is so sweet. Food and memories are very connected.
Yes, they are. What about you, Anna? Is there a special food from your childhood?
For me, it's my mom's apple pie. She makes the best apple pie in the world. On my birthday, she always made one for me. It makes me feel happy and safe.
That sounds lovely. It is amazing how food can do that. It is more than just eating. It's about family and love and memories. Speaking of family, what about holiday meals? Are there any special dishes your family makes for celebrations?
Oh, that's a great question. For holidays, my family loves to make a big roast dinner. We have turkey or chicken with roasted potatoes, carrots, and lots of gravy. It's a very traditional meal, and we all cook together. It takes a long time to prepare, but it is so worth it. The house smells wonderful all day.
That sounds amazing. In my family, we have a special fish dish that we make for Christmas. It's an old recipe from my great-grandmother. It is also a lot of work, but it brings the whole family together. Everyone has a special job to do to help make the meal.
That's the best part of holiday meals, isn't it? The way they bring everyone together. It's more than just food. It's about sharing and making memories. Do you have any other food traditions in your family?
Well, on Sundays, we often have a big family brunch. It's a late breakfast with lots of different foods. We have eggs, pancakes, sausages, and lots of fruit. It's very relaxed and a great way to spend time together.
A big Sunday brunch sounds wonderful. It's the perfect mix of sweet and savory. It brings up an interesting point, though, the balance between healthy food and treat food. How do you think about that, Bruno? Are you a very healthy eater?
That's an excellent question. I try to be healthy. I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and I drink a lot of water. But I also believe in balance. It is okay to have a piece of cake or some chocolate sometimes. Life is about enjoyment, and food is a big part of that. I think the key is moderation. What about you?
I agree completely. I love healthy foods, especially salads with lots of colorful vegetables. But I could never give up dessert. A little bit of sweetness makes life better. It's all about finding a happy medium. Speaking of which, do you have a favorite healthy snack?
I like to have a handful of almonds or a fresh apple. They are easy to carry with me when I'm busy. And for a guilty pleasure snack, it has to be potato chips. Salty, crunchy, very hard to resist.
I love potato chips too. My weakness is ice cream. I could eat it every day. It seems we have a good balance of healthy and fun. Let's talk about something else. What about trying new foods? Do you like to experiment with cuisines from different countries?
Oh, absolutely. I love trying new things. It's like a small adventure for your mouth. I really enjoy Mexican food. The combination of spices, fresh ingredients like cilantro and lime, it's so full of flavor. I haven't tried to cook it myself, but I love finding good Mexican restaurants.
Mexican food is delicious. I agree. The flavors are so vibrant. For me, I'm a big fan of Japanese food. I especially love sushi. The first time I tried it, I was a little nervous about the raw fish, but it was so fresh and tasty. Now it's one of my favorite things to eat when I go out for a special meal.
Sushi is a true art form. It's beautiful to look at and delicious to eat. I would love to try authentic Indian food next. I hear the curries are incredibly complex and aromatic. There is a whole world of flavors out there to discover.
There really is, and it's so much fun to share that experience with people. That brings me to another thought, Bruno. Since you enjoy cooking, do you like to cook for other people, like hosting a dinner party?
I do, very much. For me, cooking is an act of love. Preparing a meal for people I care about is one of my favorite things to do. I don't do anything too complicated, just simple, delicious food. The best part is sitting around the table together, talking and laughing. It feels very special.
That is a beautiful way to think about it. And I think people can really feel that. When someone cooks for you, you're not just eating food, you're tasting their care and their time. Even if I'm not a good cook, I love being a guest at a dinner party. The sound of conversation, the delicious smells from the kitchen, it's a wonderful experience.
Exactly. It's not about being a professional chef, it's about sharing time, sharing stories, and creating a warm atmosphere. The food is important, but the company is the main ingredient for a perfect meal.
And for everyone listening, if you are enjoying our podcast, we have a small request.
Yes, please take a moment to like this episode and subscribe to our channel. It helps other English learners find us.
You can also leave a comment. Tell us about your favorite food. We would love to read it.
Well, Bruno, all this talk about food has made me very hungry.
Me too. I think I will make some soup after this.
And maybe I'll order a pizza. Thank you everyone for listening today. It was wonderful to have you here by the fire with us.
Yes, thank you. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about food.
Join us next time for episode 4. We are going to talk about another exciting topic, travel. We will talk about places to go and things to see.
It will be a great adventure. Until then, take care and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye for now.
See you next time.